In the cricket field, it is known that a player is tested not just by their talent but also their personal image. Mohammed Shami, known for his speed and accuracy in the cricketing world, has hit the headlines not for his incredible Yorkers this time, but for a decision increasingly popular among public figures: a hair transplant operation. Image, especially for a public figure, is an essential part of their career and personal brand. Shami's hair transplant journey can be seen as a reflection of the modern approach to individual renewal. Let's take a closer look at the career of Mohammed Shami, one of India's leading fast bowlers and a sensation of the cricketing senses. In this technical aspect of the game, Shami is known for his ability to bowl at high speeds and for his precision in delivery. His mastery on the field, with fast seam deliveries and especially the reverse swing ability, poses a significant challenge for the opposing players. With his sudden changes in speed and the ability to swerve the ball, Shami is capable of easily taking wickets, even of the most reliable players of the opposing team. Moreover, he has been an inspiration for young players with his ability to maintain composure even under pressure and his strong work ethic. By continuously improving his skills and in-game strategies, he has managed to become one of India's leading fast bowlers on the international stage. For a cricketer who spends a considerable amount of time under the sun, donning a helmet and cap for protection and style, hair health can become a casualty. Shami, like many athletes, has experienced hair thinning and loss, possibly exacerbated by the constant wearing of caps and helmets, which can create a conducive environment for hair loss due to sweat and friction. Recognizing the impact of his personal image on his career and brand, Shami chose to undertake a hair transplant to address this challenge. By sharing his hair transplant operation journey. Shami will be remembered as a figure who takes bold steps in his personal life, just as he does in the fast-paced world of cricket.
Mohammed Shami today at the Hampshire Bowl 2019.